Gervil Abinella Jinky Bitrics raised Luistro, born October 3, 1975, is a Filipino lawyer and politician who has served as the representative of Batangas' 2nd District since 2022.
A graduate of the University of Batangas, Luistro held a number of roles at the Department of Justice before becoming the municipal administrator of Mabini, Batangas. In the 2022 elections, she was elected for her first term in Congress and was later re-elected in 2025.
During her tenure, she drew national attention for her role as the chairperson of the Philippine House Committee on Justice in the first and second impeachment proceedings against Vice President Sara Duterte. Luistro was born on October 3, 1975, in Mabini, Batangas, Philippines. Luistro completed her undergraduate studies in liberal arts commerce at the University of Batangas, and she pursued a law degree at the same institution. She passed the bar examinations in 2002. While studying law at UB, Luistro was a full-time professor at Lyceum of Batangas and was executive assistant to Hernando Perez, then Justice Secretary and UB President. After passing the bar exam, Luistro worked as a confidential agent for the Bureau of Immigration and served as a consultant for the Department of Justice's Witness Protection Program. She eventually became a state counsel, where she was tasked with handling various legal cases for the government. Luistro's role in handling high-profile cases led to her appointment as head of the investigation team of the Special Presidential Task Force during the Arroyo administration. She oversaw investigations into the tax credit scam. Luistro was appointed as the municipal administrator of Mabini, Batangas, by its then mayor Raul Sandoval. She continued holding the position during the mayoralty of her husband Noel Luistro. Personal life, Gervil Luistro is married to Noel Luistro, the former mayor of Mabini. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.